This is Straight Nation. Me notice Gay Charles a reason and I try to move the goalpost. My conversation was never about baby mothers and children and all of that. My argument was, you paint a picture to be a good youth. You paint a picture that you are this great person, but you not take care of none of the people that will allow you for there and make the money.
So, Foota, you sit down and you dictate to a man life where a man there incarcerated for 13 years. You get all of the 13 years there to better yourself. And with the 2026 now, and you still sound at the car, meanwhile Kartel buy houses, he might try invest, he might have him street vibe and all of that time I do him thing. What are you doing? Can you show us some improvement, some progress in your life? All you do is sit down and watch him man money, you watch him man everything what the man do, you watch. Me not even want to mention that part because I'm going to say why. That's a why. But you watch him man money, you watch how him spending money, you watch who him buy house, you watch who him buy. First of all, a fee money. If him feel like him want to buy 10 house at 13 years him do, him come out and a time for him live and enjoy himself. Not a man watching him, every move he make, every step he make. What does Kartel owe you? What does the teacher owe you? Foota? Nothing. Move up, man.
Alright, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from KingMixUp, it's not credible and you already know the deal, my peeps. But there's a for telling a war, go on for it to go on, you see myself, you can see the war get ugly. Vybz Kartel draft for Foota, I baby mother and pitney them and no say, in my draft for Shorty. And a bag of things that release way back in the day. Yes, Foota is playing dirty. You know the police to release some things them say come from Kartel phone. With them I look like some Battam business and them shit there, that's what they put it out looking like. So they put that try style the man as one fish. You see my say, cause I'm ready no same baby, mother them ate him and pitney them ate him and all of this good stuff. But me not gonna lie to my people. He's really I don't want to say going low, but for a bad man, he is definitely snitching. You see me say he's talking about Kartel, basically doing, you know, putting in them drink and not even know it. You know what I mean? Some things going on, one girl drinks on the boat and she gonna sleep and yeah, babe, hush money are going. You see me say he's insinuating. These are the comments that you know, cause him posting nastiness and it got reported obviously. You see me say, cause you're not allowed to post those things on social media, that's why we blurred it all. But nevertheless, he's insinuating that Vybz Kartel snitched and Shawn and Mad Sauce. And Kaya ever drunk, Kaya him get locked up in America one time or get him visa revoked and them good stuff them. You see me saying people are saying it's because of gun. So Foota say I feel them name him give them so him can get back in because oh Shawn I'm having trouble to come back to America. What a thingy? What a thingy and you hear him baby mother in the beginning I say him now do nothing for him pitney them and all of this stuff. You see me say so him a talk about a bag of things. Right, so let's hear what him say and then we'll proceed to what his baby moms is saying at the end again. You see me?
Walk on the back through something if you have common sense. I mean, I know how many hear none of the brief brigade address this. Gay Charles was arrested and charged in America back in the days for illegal possession of firearm. See? Whatever happened, he had to leave. Shawn Storm, Matsusa Cairo, has never been in America, has never had a case in America. Right? So, how you have a work permit where you put so much people on the work permit? And Shawn Storm never had on the work permit. We don't see something wrong with that. Let's slow the roll for a little bit. Stop the gimmicks and the unnecessary argument. Make it make sense. You're in America on a work permit. Looking about a next work permit right now. Why wasn't Shawn Storm on the work permit? You had problems in America. Shawn never have no problem in America. Shawn's supposed to easier to get a visa or a work permit more than you. So how you get a work permit in America and Shawn get a work permit? No for no. I deny the fact and the logic. Shawn did advertise one party in America. What do you say? I'm going to end up come America. Obviously, the work permit then the work. It can't work when the whole embassy say, a gay Charles is your boss. So how you depend that the work permit there? Want to the work permit you should depend the heavyweight work permit. You don't want Shawn run you. You hate Shawn. You don't like Madsus either. They may not deny because them have to depend on you. But me not depend on nobody. You know say during the 13 years while they were locked away, did you guys know that Shawn Storm was not where Kartel was? Meaning in the same cell or on the same block? Only didn't know say Shawn Storm was down by a different SP from where Gay Charles is there. Guess who always was in Gay Charles' cell? Every transfer Gay Charles transfer, he spend maximum money to make sure this person was in his cell. But something happened on a boat today. Gay Charles. Something happened on a boat today. You remember? Couple females. There was music. There was drinks. There was pills. And I'm not talking Excedrin. I'm not talking Panadol. Do you remember what happened? When the drinks suddenly tasted different to the female and she lost consciousness and didn't know what happened for a couple of hours. You remember what happened when she came to her senses? You remember why you now give her $1,000 each day to keep quiet? You want me to make her life a living hell? You remember? I know what you did on the boat. You might think you have secrets, but you don't have any secrets. You know why you don't have any secrets? I do not. Yo, if I saw richness coming up and I want to reach a pussy class. Yo, you are the worst rich man. You are the man who rich and want everything with the poor man have. My God. A nigga want me girl them. He want me internet. He want me pick me them. He want everything. What is wrong with you? You don't like your picking them. You don't like your girl them. Anything me have you want. Have you ever seen me with one of Gay Charles' baby mother? I try muggle? Ever? Do you track? Let's look. I'm on the internet all the time. He's on the internet all the time. Have you ever seen a female with me or around me that is Gay Charles people? Never. But 95% of the females, whether I want to believe it or not, that's around Gay Charles, are people who been with, knock already, had a little fling, something. Once him hear my name called with a girl, him need it. And them money pay the most for pussy for a rich man. Like, when you're rich, you don't buy crutches. No, alright. Me no want nobody say a lie, me I tell. You go look. Go look. Just go back to him video them and look. He not have nothing for himself. He not have nothing for himself. Me never see me that baby mother when me want yet. No disrespect. Not my type. It's just the truth. Maybe my standards are just a little too high. But I've never seen gay child with a girl that I'm like, oh damn, I gotta have her. Never. But for some reason, all of my girls, exes or present, he wants them so bad. He wants them so bad. Let's just be big up Shorty, respect a Shorty, nah this a Shorty. You know me rate you. You know me rate you, Shorty. I will not have to get into it. But no woman I've ever seen Vybz did it with has ever been attractive to me. I don't like them in that way. They hate me for a reason. Oh, the broke man have or touch the girl them wanna dream about. After you hear the man where you defend, I say, if the sneakers not come back, you and your mother for dead. You that still be friend with that man? When no answer and I come in, you that still be friend with that man? You know me no want to say Shawn Storm scared. Me no want to say Shawn Storm scared, you know. I want to say Shawn Storm cornered. I'm not scared, him scared. It's a level of desperation. It's like, do if you will and do if you don't. It's like, him so scared to separate himself from Vybz Kartel because him thinks him not gonna have no career. But you're there on him and you're still not a career.
Put in the comment section if you agree with what Foota Hype is saying. Wow, wow, wow. All of that to say this, no. He's not doing a good job when it comes to his, seeds.
If Dahlia sent come get the youth and say, what the hell are you sending to my child? So I got mad and I came on the internet last year and I said, no, you cannot do that. As a father, as a man where I say you have much things are foreign. You can't send $12 come give one big boy pitney and you force youth. And me authorize Aishana, bro. I want to look wagon, you know, I'm fine one little brown in pretty like, you know, and you show me Aishana up on the phone. I want to know, man. I don't want none of them come tell me about Foota Dan where Foota seek asylum and run well if Cassava Peace and Jamaica. Because all him do is walk and free with people and insist. Me no want a girl and a boy come comment and go on like say, and I come over, me post over Instagram. Una come and talk about DNA. Look how me tell the boy say me want DNA. Me say boy come give me want me DNA. Me say oh we go do this, make sure ear reach over so rare because boy seek asylum and boy can go back to Jamaica.
Yeah, anyway, people, like I said, Kartel did enough for Shawn Storm, Mad Suits, and Kyrie. Paid for their lawyer fees and still giving them food, money-wise, etc., etc. You see, man, I said them are big people and them for deal with them life as big people. You see me? Anyway, I'm just giving a quick update while I go on from the tomorrow. So do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.